The CFMoto 250 SR has made quite a splash in the entry-level sportbike segment, and for good reason. It offers a compelling combination of sporty aesthetics, decent performance, and modern features, all at a competitive price point. This makes it an attractive option for both beginner riders looking to enter the world of sportbikes, and experienced riders seeking a fun and agile machine for commuting or weekend rides. One of the standout features of the 250 SR is its striking design. The full fairing, sharp lines, and aggressive stance give it a distinctly sporty and modern look that's sure to turn heads. The LED lighting, including the sleek headlight and taillight, further enhances its visual appeal. Underneath the stylish exterior, the 250 SR packs a punch with its 249cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. While it's not the most powerful engine in its class, it provides enough punch for spirited riding and confident overtaking. The smooth 6-speed gearbox complements the engine well, making for an enjoyable riding experience. The 250 SR also boasts a range of features that enhance its appeal. The full-color TFT display provides clear and concise information to the rider, while the upside-down front forks and rear monoshock contribute to the bike's agile handling. The braking system, with its single front disc and ABS, provides reliable stopping power. In terms of specifications, the CFMoto 250 SR has a seat height of 780 mm, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. It weighs in at around 165 kilograms, which is reasonable for a bike in this class. The fuel tank capacity is approximately 12.5 liters, providing a decent range for commuting or weekend rides. Overall, the CFMoto 250 SR is a well-rounded entry-level sportbike that offers a lot for the money. It's stylish, fun to ride, and packed with features. While it may not be the fastest or most powerful bike in its class, it offers a great balance of performance, features, and price, making it a strong contender in the 250cc sportbike segment.